Today, another title for Elon Musk, billionaire, founder, and now defendant. In a dramatic scene in court today, a place where we don't often see him, Musk is denying accusations he tried to drive down Twitter's stock price before buying the company a few years back. This is him walking into federal court in San Francisco earlier today, where he was questioned over posts he made that hinted that his deal with Twitter was in jeopardy. It's part of his legal fight with Twitter shareholders who think he did it to try to get a better deal on that $44 billion package. Here's the post that the deal was temporarily on hold because he was trying to figure out the precise number of bots or spam accounts on the site. Musk's lawyer sent this letter to the company a few weeks later saying he's terminating the deal, which drove down Twitter's stock. I want to bring in Misty Marris, who's joining us now. This is super interesting. We mentioned federal court in the West. Tell us what you're hearing from court. What else did Musk say? How did he defend himself?
So first of all, Hallie, we saw the video of Elon Musk entering the courthouse. There was a bit of a ruse right there because he came in a Cadillac Escalade trying to evade the media who he thought they would believe he's coming in a Tesla. So that's how the day began. But now he's on the stand, and there's a focus on these tweets from May of 2022. And Elon Musk is responding when the plaintiff's attorneys are asking him what these tweets were about, whether or not they were material, and whether or not their purpose was to drive down the price of Twitter stock. Now, these all relates to the elements of what the plaintiffs have to prove, that there was a material misrepresentation and that he did it intentionally. So he's trying to say, I'm simply speaking my mind to essentially defend himself by saying, this is not something that is material. I did not act with intent. We'll see how this plays out as the trial continues.
Well, how are they going to try to combat that, the folks who want to get, who are charging at Musk here?
They're really looking at that timeline, Hallie, because it's not about looking at these tweets in a vacuum. It's looking at what's going on with that acquisition at the time and the impact that it had on the market.
What happens if Musk loses?
If Musk loses, he could be owing a pretty penny. This is all by shareholders who say that they lost a tremendous amount of money due to these tweets, which drove down the price of Twitter. So it's from May to October of 2022. These shareholders, there's a class of people, there's multiple shareholders who say that they're going to be owed a lot of money and it will be their loss. And there will be a whole portion of this trial, if he loses on liability, relating to what those damages are.
What's the timeline, too, Ms. Dan, when we'll know?
So we have a couple more weeks here. This is not going to be a short trial. There's a lot of documents to get through. It's a pretty deep dive.
Okay. Misty, if there's anybody who we know can deep dive alongside him, it's you. Come back. Tell us more. Thank you, Misty. Appreciate you.